Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to create a Binance ID. Binance is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, and getting started is easier than you might think. Whether you're a beginner looking to buy your first Bitcoin or an experienced trader expanding your portfolio, this guide will have you up and running in no time. First things first, fire up your web browser and head over to the official Binance website. You can simply type Binance.com into your search bar and hit enter. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up button. It's usually right at the top of the page. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address or phone number. Make sure it's one you can access easily, as you'll need it for verification. Next, create a strong password. I can't stress this enough. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. After you enter your details, Binance will send a verification code to your email or phone. Check your inbox or messages, enter the code on the site, and bam, you're almost done. Now, depending on your location, you might need to complete a quick identity verification. This is for security purposes and helps prevent fraud. Upload a photo of your ID, like a passport or driver's license, and maybe a selfie for facial verification. It only takes a few minutes, but it's a crucial step. Once that's all set, you'll have your very own Binance ID. Take a moment to explore the dashboard, set up two-factor authentication for extra security, and familiarize yourself with the platform. Remember, always trade responsibly and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Stay savvy.